Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. If you lock your phone, if you tap on the locked phone, you will see some items, clock items, date items and other items that is called always on display. But as of now, always on display is disabled in my case. Okay. If you would like to enable always on display, what you have to do is go to the settings of our phone first. Go to settings. Then go to lock screen and AOD. And here just to turn on this button always on display. Just to turn on this button and go to home screen. Now lock your screen and tap once on the locked screen. You will see the item, clock, notifications and date and time. Okay, and charging. Okay, so these are all the informations that will be showing on the always on display. In this way you can easily enable always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.